Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of yield. The full amount of an agricultural or industrial product. For example, the milk yield was poor. American pronunciation. Yield. Yield. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Yield. Say. Yield. Yield means amount produced of agricultural or industrial product. Yield. Yield. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. It severely reduces agricultural yields and productivity. Now, repeat after me. It severely reduces agricultural yields and productivity. The second practice. The significance of soil salinity for agricultural yields is enormous. Now, repeat after me. The significance of soil salinity for agricultural yields is enormous.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.